Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PayPal debit card online. First, make sure your card is activated. You can do this quickly online or by phone. Before making any purchase, always check that your PayPal balance has sufficient funds. When shopping, simply look for the MasterCard or Visa logo at checkout, as your PayPal debit card is accepted wherever these are. It's a straightforward process to get started. When you're ready to buy something online, navigate to the payment section. Select either debit card or credit card as your preferred payment method. Then, carefully enter the 16-digit card number from the front of your PayPal debit card. Don't forget to input the card's expiration date and the 3-digit security code, often called the CVV, located on the back. Confirm your details, and you're all set to complete your purchase. Security is paramount when using your card online. Always ensure the website address begins with https:// for a secure connection. It's a good practice to regularly check your PayPal account activity for any transactions you don't recognize. If your card is ever lost or stolen, contact PayPal customer service right away to prevent unauthorized use. They are there to help protect your funds and account. Using your PayPal debit card offers several great benefits. You'll appreciate that there are no annual fees, making it a cost-effective payment solution. Plus, you can earn 1% cashback on eligible purchases, which is a nice bonus. For added convenience, consider linking your bank account to easily transfer funds to your PayPal balance whenever needed. This ensures you always have money ready for your online shopping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.